My dear students, Vetri welcomes you all. Today, I am going to discuss Unit 17, that is organic compound containing oxygen, alcohol, ether, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid coming under this category. So this I have divided into two portions. One is 17A, alcohol and ether, I have already discussed. And today I am going to discuss 17B, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acids. I am Dr.R.G taking class for you. Now, in this unit, if you want to answer all the questions, you must be ready to study or have idea. Test for functional group, classification, IUPAC, isomerism, preparation, properties and uses of all these oxygen containing compounds. You should be in tip, should be kept ready. Then only it is easy for you to answer the questions. Question number 1. This is asked in NEET 22. This question is coming under carboxylic acid. What is this actually? This question RMGX plus CO2 arrow gives Y, hydrolysis in presence of acid medium or COOH. This is the question. What is Y in the above reaction? 4 options are given. 1. RCOOX plus. 2. Within bracket RCOO twice Mg. 3. RCOOMgX. 4. RCOMgX. So if you want to give answer for this question, you must go to the Cricknod reagent. What is Cricknod reagent? That is RMGX. This is called Cricknod reagents. Specific, if you want, I will write now. Methyl magnesium iodide. So this synthetic reagent will be used normally to prepare a number of compounds. Almost more than 75-80% of compounds can be synthesized using this. Like this, so carboxylic acid also can be used. In this case, we are using carbon dioxide with using the RMGX, Cricknod reagent. Let me write the equation you follow. What is happening? Let me take carbon dioxide. So, when I am adding now Cricknod reagent RMGX, now, so what will happen now? This RMGX Cricknod reagent will cleave in the form of this way. R minus MgX plus, then one of the carbon double bond O gets polarized. So this is plus, this is minus. So the problem is very, very simple. That is C O double bond O. Then here O minus, so automatically O MgX. Then another is, it is R minus, it come here, R. So, this I can write easily, R COOMgX. So, this is the answer. Just see where it is. The 3 is the correct answer. I hope you have clear idea. Let us verify from the option given now. Just see 3 is the correct answer. I hope I will go for next question. This is also asked NEET 22. Here, match list 1 with list 2. List 1 products formed, list 2 the reactions of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound may be an aldehyde or ketone, or generally we will say carbonyl means both aldehyde and ketone, generally it will respond. Okay, here A, cyanohydrin. Normally, cyanohydrin, aldehyde and ketone will undergo reaction with SCN to produce cyanohydrin. So, A4. Now, here itself answer is clear. Just see here option A, that is 4. 2 is the correct answer. A4, because in all other cases, A1, A4, A3, A2, over. But anyhow, still we will compare with the other one, other also. Kindly follow now. So, A4. Then second, acetal. Normally, acetal means aldehyde and ketone undergoes condensation reaction with the alcohol. Then third, Skips base. Aldehyde and ketones undergo condensation reaction with amine, primary amine specifically, to form Skips base. And last one, aldehyde and ketone will form oxime with hydroxylamine. So this is the options. See here, now A3, kindly follow, A4, cyanohydrin SCN, acetal alcohol 3, B3, then Skips base amine C2, then oxime D1. So, to give clear idea, let me take a specific example and I will explain. So, for example, in the case of aldehyde, any carbonyl compound, this is aldehyde, treated with SCN gives the corresponding cyanohydrin. On hydrolysis, give corresponding alpha hydroxy acid. Okay? The next one. This is first one. The second case, acetal, aldehyde or ketones undergo condensation with the corresponding alcohols will give acetal. Please follow. A ketone, same way ketone. So, answer example. Number 3, amine. So, primary amine undergo condensation reaction with aldehydes. So, or ketone will give this base that is called Skips base. Skips base. So, first one, RNH2 amine, RCHO aldehyde, or N double bond CHR is the Skips base. Okay. The last one, oxide. Aldehyde and ketone form corresponding oxide with hydroxylamine NH2OH. So, aldehyde, hydroxylamine. So, what will happen now? Undergo condensation to produce this oxide. So, now we have a clear idea. Question number 2. So, in the question number 2, 2 is the correct answer. I have already discussed. Number 3. Question number 3. Kindly follow NEET 22 again. Which one of the following is not formed when acetone reacts with 2-pentanone in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide followed by heating? This is condensation reactions. So, it may be acetone and 2-pentanone, or 2-pentanone will undergo condensation, or 2-acetone will undergo condensation. These are the possibility. Let me explain and find out. Here, the most probably the compound which is not formed will be 4. Not formed. Let us see here. Let me give one by one. The first case possibility, I am taking 2-pentanone, I am treating with acetone. When I treat with acetone, what will happen now? Now in this CO, it is converted into OH. So from the correspondingly, this methyl group, H is going to converting into CO to all alcoholic. Then OH and the neighboring hydrogen will undergo a water elimination, producing this, the alkene. This is number 1, first possibility. Number 2, second possibility, kindly follow. 2 molecules of acetone and 1 molecule of 2-acetophenone undergoes this product, the same condensation reaction. This is number 2. Then 3, 2 molecules of acetone, as I told you, give this condensation followed by action of heat. So let me explain this one so you can understand at least in other cases how this will be undergo. C double bond O, CH3. So the second case, H, CH2, CO, CH3. So what will happen is undergo this. This automatically CO minus, this is H is going out. So this H will go here, converting into CH3, COH and CH3, correspondingly CH2, CO, CH3. Kindly follow. This is aldol condensations. This is enolic form of ketone undergoes condensation. And automatically from here, this OH and this H will undergo elimination, producing this compound. So this is the third one. So fourth one, it is not possible. So answer is, this is not possible. Okay, next question. Question number 3. This is again addition of SN, that is cyanohydrin, formation of cyanohydrin. Question asks NEET 23. This question is asked NEET 23. So this is cyclohexanone double bond. When treat with SCN, what will happen now? When you treat here and SCN, H plus Cn minus, then OH. So H will go to OH and Cn will go to this carbon. This is the product. Then we are treating with consulfuric acid. The cyanide will be converted into acid. Okay. Then on action of heat, what will happen? The carbon dioxide will be eliminated. This will be converted into H. So C, it is formed, is nothing but 1. Cyclohexanol, 1-hexanol. So answer is number 1 option. There are 4 options are given here. This is cyclohexane 1-carboxylic acid. 3, cyclohexene 1-aldehyde. Cyclohexene 1-oic acid. Kindly follow. So correct answer is 1. Next question, NEET, that is NEET 23-1, the answer is 1. That is number 4, question number 4, that is NEET 23. Ask in NEET 23. Kindly follow. Here, the interesting information here, kindly follow. This is based on the famous reaction, Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction. So this is under the aldehyde and ketones. Normally, specifically ketones, when you treat with a specific reagent, zinc amalgam and con HCl, that will be converted into corresponding alkane. Corresponding alkane. That is the criteria. So here, one side benzene ring, the corresponding acetyl group. The other side cyclohexane, the hexane acetyl group. Both sides, when you treat with zinc amalgam HCl, nascent hydrogen will be produced. That will reduce this aldehyde, this CO group into H and CO group into H. So both sides automatically producing this correspondingly this group, that is alkene group. This is the most important carbon. That means ethyl, benzene, ethyl, alkyl, the cyclohexane, ethyl. Because this OH is going out. So remaining two carbon will form in the form of ethyl group. So this is the most probable answer. So option 1, 2, 3, 4 given. So this is the correct. Let us verify from the answer. So 23, 1. So according to this is the correct answer. Okay, next one. Question number 5. Identify the major product obtained in the following reaction. Remember, my dear students, we have given this is nothing but benzene auto substituted, one side acetyl group, another side aldehyde group, CHO. That means one is acetophenone, another side is benzaldehyde, if you consider. So, we are treating with a weak oxidizing agent, that is Tollens reagent, that is silver nitrate and ammonium hydroxide, on mixing will give correspondingly silver oxide, a weak oxidizing agent. So which oxidize only aldehyde group but not the keto group. So what will happen? It will oxidize only the aldehyde but not the keto. Just see here where is acid. So here is the answer. 3 is the correct answer. Because the below is converted to acid, above is not, because it is acetyl group, keto group is not oxidized. Aldehyde group can be oxidized by the weak oxidizing agent. Here alcohol, not alcohol. Here alcohol, not correct. Here the aldehyde, the ketone is converted into alcohol, it is also not correct. So correct answer is 3. So we will verify from the option given now. So answer is the 23. Correspondingly, this is the correct answer. 23C. 3 is the correct answer. Thank you very much. I will discuss in the next class the 18th unit. I will discuss. See you. Bye bye.